Welcome back to my channel, Aviation Legends. The 1990s marked a revolutionary decade in military aviation history, introducing stealth technology, advanced multi-role fighters, and the first combat drones that would reshape modern warfare forever. Subscribe and hit that bell icon for more legendary warbirds. This was the era when cutting-edge avionics met unprecedented combat capabilities, producing some of the most technologically advanced aircraft ever built. From America's groundbreaking stealth bombers to Europe's collaborative fighter projects and Russia's supremely maneuverable interceptors, the 90s delivered aircraft that defined air superiority for decades to come. Let's explore 10 legendary combat aircraft that dominated the skies and changed military aviation history. Chapter 1. F-117 Nighthawk, the Invisible Warrior. Picture this: 42 stealth fighters flew 1,271 combat sorties over Baghdad without a single loss. I'm starting with the F-117 Nighthawk, the aircraft that made the impossible possible. This angular beast used revolutionary faceted surfaces and radar-absorbent materials to become virtually invisible to enemy radar systems. During the 1991 Gulf War, these ghost fighters struck the most heavily defended targets in Iraq with surgical precision, including command bunkers and air defense sites that conventional aircraft couldn't touch. The Nighthawk proved stealth technology worked in real combat, opening the door for every stealth aircraft that followed. But America wasn't done revolutionizing warfare in the 90s. Chapter 2. Saab JAS-39 Gripen, the smart fighter. Here's what blows my mind. The Gripen can land and take off from just 500 meters of highway. Sweden's JAS-39 Gripen proved that smaller nations could build world-class fighters. This lightweight warrior packed cutting-edge fly-by-wire controls, advanced radar systems, and incredible fuel efficiency into a compact, affordable package. The Gripen's triple-role capability, fighter, attack, and reconnaissance in one aircraft, made it incredibly versatile for air forces with tight budgets. While it missed major 90s conflicts, the Gripen's revolutionary design philosophy of more capability, less cost, influenced fighter development worldwide and became a bestseller to smaller nations. Speaking of revolutionary designs, let me show you France's ambitious answer to American dominance. Chapter 3. B-2 Spirit, the $2.2 billion ghost. Each B-2 Spirit costs more than its weight in gold, literally $2.2 billion per aircraft. This flying wing represents the pinnacle of stealth technology, with its seamless curves and radar-absorbent coating making it nearly invisible to enemy detection systems. The B-2's revolutionary blended wing design allowed it to carry massive payloads while maintaining stealth characteristics impossible with conventional bombers. During the 1999 Kosovo conflict, B-2s flew 30-hour missions directly from Missouri to Yugoslavia, striking targets with precision, GPS-guided munitions. If you're enjoying this, hit that like button. The Spirit established America's ability to strike anywhere on Earth undetected, setting the gold standard for strategic stealth aviation. But France had its own ambitious plans brewing. Chapter 4. Dassault Rafale, the French omni-role beast. The Rafale can seamlessly switch from air-to-air combat to ground attack missions within the same sortie. Talk about multitasking. France's Rafale pioneered the omni-role concept, combining fighter, bomber, and reconnaissance capabilities with cutting-edge digital fly-by-wire controls and sensor fusion technology. This delta-winged warrior featured an advanced RBE-2 radar and could carry an impressive array of weapons from Mica missiles to nuclear warheads. While it missed major 90s conflicts, the Rafale later proved its worth in Libya, Mali, and Syria, demonstrating the versatility that French engineers envisioned decades earlier. The Rafale showed that European innovation could compete with American dominance in advanced fighter design. Meanwhile, America's helicopter gunships were getting a deadly upgrade. Chapter 5. C-17 Globemaster III, the strategic game changer. The C-17 can land a fully loaded M1 Abrams tank on a 3,000-foot dirt airstrip. That's incredible versatility. This massive transport revolutionized military logistics by combining the cargo capacity of strategic airlifters with the rough field landing capabilities of tactical aircraft. The Globemaster's advanced fly-by-wire system and powerful engines allowed it to operate from austere airfields that previously required smaller, less capable aircraft. During the 90s conflicts in Somalia and the Balkans, C-17s delivered everything from humanitarian aid to heavy armor directly into combat zones. The Globemaster fundamentally changed how militaries project power globally, making rapid deployment of heavy forces possible anywhere on Earth. But while America moved cargo, their attack helicopters were getting lethal upgrades. Chapter 6. AH-64. The Apache Longbow, the tank hunter. The Apache Longbow can engage 16 targets simultaneously while remaining hidden behind terrain. That's devastating firepower. This upgraded gunship featured the revolutionary millimeter-wave Longbow radar mounted above its rotor, allowing it to detect and engage targets without exposing itself to enemy fire. Combined with fire-and-forget Hellfire missiles, the Apache could pop up, lock onto multiple tanks, fire, and disappear before enemies could react. During the late 90s Balkans operations, Longbow Apaches provided critical close air support with unprecedented precision and survivability. The Longbow system redefined attack helicopter warfare, proving that rotorcraft could dominate modern battlefields with advanced sensors and smart weapons. Speaking of smart weapons, let me show you the aircraft that started the drone revolution. Chapter 7. Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe's air superiority beast. The Typhoon can climb vertically at 65,000 feet per minute. That's faster than most missiles. This European collaboration between Britain, Germany, Italy, and Spain created a canard Delta fighter with unmatched agility and advanced captor radar systems. The Typhoon's revolutionary aerodynamic design made it naturally unstable, requiring fly-by-wire computers to keep it controllable, while delivering incredible maneuverability in dogfights. Though it missed major 90s conflicts, the Typhoon later dominated air policing missions and proved its combat worth in Libya, showcasing European engineering excellence. Drop a comment. Which aircraft would you fly? The Typhoon demonstrated that European nations could unite to challenge American fighter dominance. Meanwhile, an unmanned revolution was quietly beginning. Chapter 8. MQ-1 Predator, the dawn of robot warriors. The Predator could loiter over targets for 14 hours straight, something no manned aircraft could match. This unassuming drone revolutionized warfare by removing human pilots from dangerous missions, while providing unprecedented surveillance capabilities. Armed with Hellfire missiles, the Predator became the first operational hunter-killer drone, capable of finding, tracking, and eliminating targets remotely. During the late 90s Balkans conflict, Predators conducted crucial reconnaissance missions, proving that unmanned aircraft could perform complex military operations effectively. The Predator fundamentally changed modern warfare, launching the age of remote combat that dominates today's battlefields. But while America pioneered drones, classic dogfighting wasn't dead yet. Let me show you the ultimate air superiority fighter. Chapter 9. F/A-18E/F Super Hornet, the Carrier King. The Super Hornet can carry 17,750 pounds of weapons, nearly double its predecessor's payload. This enlarged naval fighter featured bigger fuel tanks, more powerful engines, and advanced avionics that transformed carrier-based operations. The Super Hornet's increased range meant aircraft carriers could operate further from enemy coastlines while still delivering devastating strikes deep inland. Though introduced late in the decade, it quickly proved its worth during Operation Desert Fox in 1998, showcasing superior strike capabilities from USS Enterprise. The Super Hornet became the backbone of U.S. Navy carrier air wings, proving that evolutionary improvements could rival revolutionary designs. Now for our final aircraft, Russia's answer to Western air superiority. Chapter 10. Sukhoi Su-30, Russia's air superiority monster. The Su-30 can perform a complete 360-degree loop in just 7 seconds. That's mind-bending agility. This twin-engine beast combined incredible maneuverability with long-range strike capabilities, featuring thrust vectoring engines and advanced radar systems that rivaled Western fighters. The Su-30's revolutionary design allowed it to outmaneuver almost any opponent in close combat while carrying massive weapons loads for ground attack missions. Though it missed major 90s conflicts, the Su-30 became a bestseller worldwide, equipping air forces from India to Venezuela with affordable yet deadly air power. The Su-30 proved that Russian engineering could still compete globally, influencing fighter development for decades to come. These 10 aircraft defined the 1990s and shaped modern warfare as we know it today. The 1990s truly transformed military aviation forever, introducing stealth, technology, smart weapons, unmanned warfare, and multi-role fighters that still dominate today's skies. From America's invisible bombers to Europe's collaborative jets and Russia's super-maneuverable interceptors, this decade produced legendary aircraft that redefined air power globally. These 10 warbirds didn't just serve their nations, they revolutionized how wars are fought from above. Share this with fellow aviation enthusiasts and subscribe for more incredible aircraft stories from history's most decisive decades. Until next time, thanks for watching. Keep looking up.